Hey! I'm Algo Trader Martin, and today I'm going to show you how to actually make money in Forex. At the beginning, I will briefly mention the process I use to create profitable automated trading strategies. First, I find a market with a statistical advantage. Second, I perform robustness tests. Third, with the strategies that pass the robustness tests, I run a real trading simulation. By following these three steps, I obtain a portfolio of strategies that, with a probability bordering on certainty, will be profitable in the future. I check the market with statistical advantage visually first, where I want to see a clear directional tendency. Then I test whether the daily closing price is above or below the moving average with 200 and 100. Here you see a chart of the Euro-Turkish Lira currency pair for the last 30 years, where one candle represents 1 quarter. The market direction here is clearly long, which in turn also confirms the test on the daily close and for both values of the moving averages. Turkey has a high inflation rate, which means that prices in the country are rising quickly, so people are trying to sell their currency for others that are more stable. The low level of monetary and fiscal stability in Turkey is causing investors to worry about the health of the Turkish economy, while another factor is the lack of confidence in the Turkish central bank, which tends to intervene in the market to support the lira. Turkey has low interest rates, so investors are looking for higher yields in other countries. Turkey is heavily dependent on imports, which means it needs large amounts of foreign currency to pay for its foreign needs. Turkey has a low level of foreign trade because the country is unable to export as much as it needs to import. The second step is robustness testing. I use the standard tests that are explained in the video tutorial for those who have purchased Strategy Quant X. The third step is to perform a real trading simulation. Since Strategy Quant has data since 2007 for the Euro-Turkish Lira currency pair, I performed the simulation on the last 6 years, i.e. 2017 to 2022. The result of the portfolios of the 4 strategies confirmed the previous conclusions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.